OK. Tak to jdeme rozjet. Dámy a pánové, první battle v semifinále. Filip, David. Změna hudby.
Tempo has reached critical level. Tempo has reached critical level.
Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Let me talk to you. Let me see them big titties. All I wanna do is dig up in the business. Rich spinning my business. Point in the truck, I'm a business. I was a boss, he can't get me. He ain't got enough paper to deal with me. Baby girl want a two-step with me. Turn around, let the ass forget me. Mama done got tipsy. Here tonight, tomorrow you history. All you hear is whatever shit miss me. I stay strong, security, don't frisk me. Set it off to this motherfucking empty. I turn around, do the same shit next week. Come on, bounce. Like your ass is nigga.
OK. Krásný battle mezi Filipem a Tonym. A dáme si to po jednou rozhodčí nebo zase dohromady? Co myslíte? Po jednou? Tak jo, souhlasím. So we go one by one. First goes Gábor. Tony 6, 1-0. Michal Malík. Tony 6, 2-0, tím pádem postupuje Lukáš Komu 2-1.